Hi everyone, welcome to Excel Doors. In today's video, I will show you how you can compare two columns in Google Sheet. So let's get started with the video. So let's say in column A, I have mentioned all the people's name who have registered for our workshop, and in the column B, we have mentioned all the people's name who has actually attended the workshop. Now in column C, I need all the people's name who has not attended our workshop. First thing is what we need to do is we have to identify if this particular entry is present in column B or not. For that what we need to do is we have to use here equal to sign, then not function, and then we have to provide our logic. For the logic we have to use the COUNTIF function, and here the first argument is range. For the range I will select the column B range, like where all the peoples are present, what all are the people are present, and then we'll lock the cell and then press comma, and then here the next argument is criteria. For the criteria we'll select the column A range where all the people's names are present, and then again lock the cell and press enter button, and then we have to simply drag and drop this particular formula. Now if you can see, we are getting here the true and false. It means John Smith is not present in this particular sheet. Now instead of having a true or false, we need people's name. For that what we need to do is we have to use here the another function, which is a filter function, and here the first argument is range. For the range we'll select the column A and then press comma, and our condition is already mentioned, like not, COUNTIF, and the criteria whichever we have mentioned, and then simply press the enter button. Now you can see we are getting here the reference error because here the formula is already present or the entries are already present. For that what we need to do is we have to simply remove these all entry, and now you can see we are getting all the people who has not attended our workshop. So this is how you can compare two columns in Google Sheet. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to Excel Doors. Thank you so much for watching.